Hey there, folks. Welcome to part 2, eh? Alright, so, got the hobby bench moved over and, got the shelf up. I'm probably gonna get another one. But this is a standing desk, so, I kind of seen, because sometimes I might want to stand and work on stuff. My back's hurting sitting, so that's why we got the standing desk. But the main part is I got the main hobby table moved over, and in a minute I will show you the other room. It's a mess, so, but still have a lot to do because look at this pile of mess. So this is going to be where my office area, computer, you know, for when I work and stuff. But this is the computer desk, but I have to get the rest of this stuff organized. That's the lady's cart. I'm not sure if it's going to stay in here or if we're going to put it down in her office, but hey, and I got this awesome air purifier on Prime Day, so that's going to help out in here a little bit, dust and, you know, stuff like that. So that's my my cart for doing landscaping and diorama. It's my diorama cart. It's got all my woodland scenics, grass and scenic stuff and scenic glue and all kinds of goodies. Got my static grass applicator down there, and so yeah, timber. But yeah, so all my kits and stuff. I'm probably gonna put a shelf over there too. These went up really quick, so yeah, I got it at Menards. It was like 20 bucks, floating shelf. So probably put a couple shelves over there. And again, this was my grandson's room when he was a toddler and stuff, and you know, so eventually maybe do a repaint, get rid of these stars and stuff. But for now, it's fine. I don't care. But all right. Let's go see the old hobby room, future lounge, hockey watching, chilling out spot. And all right, and we got the new ceiling fan installed. So yeah, you know, with my back issues, I had to hire someone. So I did find this gentleman. He came out and did it for 50 bucks, eh? Can't beat that. So yeah, it's a Hunter fan. LED light, dimmable, 5-speed reversible, and it has a remote, right? No pull chains, because the other one had the pull chains coming down, and every time I walked in there, get hit in the head and stuff, and yeah. So I wanted one with no pull chains with a remote, and I wanted 5-speed reversible. I would have liked to get one of the smart ones, but you know, you're talking $200 or $300 extra for that. This fan here was only $100 at Menards, plus I have that 11%, so it ended up being like $85-90 because I also had a bunch of rebates. So all at the door, yeah, it was, I don't even remember, because I bought a bunch of other stuff like that floating shelf, and of course I always get beef jerkies. All right, so yeah, so that's where this is where I used to build my models. That shelf there will probably eventually come down, and obviously I got to move the paint rack still and figure out what I'm going to do with this. That one might fit under the desk because both of these were under that long table, but I don't know if I'm going to do that again. I may come up with another solution. That's my lady's craft stuff. That will be going in her office, eh? But yeah, it's coming along. So I do need to get a table for my paint booth. I already know it'll fit over there because it was over there before. Since I'm tearing this desk down, what I may do is, since this is supported here, I may just take this and just cut it here. And then that way, that'll fit perfect. They're already measured. So that's probably what I'm going to do. And what I'll do is this strip here, this banding, I'm going to see if I can get that off. So when I make the cut, I'm going to see if I can transfer that and then put it there to finish it off. But yeah, this will work. you know, I'll cut it. I'll cut it, you know, flush with this. There's a board under there. Maybe a little hangover so it matches the same on this side from here to here. I'll do the same thing here to here and then just rip it on my table saw. And that'll be perfect. So it'll fit there perfect. That'll be my paint booth stand. And yeah, so like I said, you know, my back's killing me and I got a lot of back issues. So I can only do so much, right, So I got 2 months to do this project. There's my speaker system. I got a surround sound receiver that goes with it. And like I said, here is where the entertainment center stand's going. And can't wait till that part gets done, But yeah, it's coming along. Just a little bit at a time. You know, I can only do, like I said, so much, maybe an hour, move a couple things. But yeah. I'm happy with the progress so far. So, yeah, I guess that's it. So, stay tuned to part 3. The plan is to get the stuff I showed you earlier off the computer area and then all, you know, my kits and all that miscellaneous stuff organized and then get my, get this moved in there. I do know these 2 things is probably going to go somewhere else. That's, the top one is my diorama stuff, so I think that's more important to keep on the hobby bench. I mean, put that on the hobby bench, and then I'll figure something out. Maybe I'll mount that on the wall, put that one on the wall, because you can mount it on the wall, so I may do that. I don't know. Still planning, but yeah, so, all right. So, hey, stay tuned to part 3, and until next time, remember, be kind.